Hi guys, it's Maureen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made this mango kambuzi achar. For the ingredients I used lemons, kambuzi, some garlic, carrot, onion and mangoes, of course. So what I did first was crush the kambuzi and the garlic together, not too smooth. You can use a blender if you have. And then I started off with cooking my oil, put my pot and then added in some oil. You can put in more oil if you have. Once the oil was cooked, I then added in my onions and then I added in my mangoes because I wanted these to cook first before I added in the other ones because they tend to take longer to cook. Yeah, so I let those cook for a little bit, and after they were cooked, as you can see, the onion is starting to get brown and the mangoes even look cooked. Then at this point I added my kambuzi and garlic mixture. Yeah, so just putting everything in there and just let it cook, mix everything together. Make sure you're nearby so that nothing sticks to the bottom. And then I added my carrots because you know this achar is having lots of stuff. And then I added my spices. I added coriander, some paprika, and I also added some turmeric. Yeah, so at this point you're just going to let everything cook together. I don't know what happened to the video, but then I did add the lemon juice after this. I'm sorry I can't show you guys, but believe me, that's what I did. Yeah, so it's a very simple recipe. This point, after everything cooks together, the chili is ready. Look at it, so yummy, so nice. Now you just have to package it nicely. I put it in my old glass bottles. Yeah, thanks for watching.